Mike Agarbo here for GetConnected. We've been down at the Galaxy Unpacked 2020 event by Samsung down in San Francisco. Some amazing announcements down there. One that I'm really excited about is the new Samsung Galaxy Z or Z Flip, depending what country you're in. This is a folding screen phone. And from what I've seen, I've actually had my hands on this. This is probably the best incarnation of folding screen technology that I have seen yet. I know we've seen the folding tablet phones, not only from Huawei, but from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I've also had a chance to get my hands on the Motorola Razr flip phone as well. But the Samsung one, it really is, I think, best in class right now. What excites me about it is just the overall engineering. When you get your hands on this, it's just beautiful and it feels very solid. And what I like is that when you unfold it, it's still a very thin phone. So you're going to get a large 6.7 inch screen on it. It reminds me of the old Game Boy SPs. It's pretty cool. It's got folding flex technology as well, so you can actually fold the screen to whatever angle you want. Kind of like when you're folding your laptop open and shut. They've got some cool features as well as far as the different selfie modes. You can actually take selfies with this, not only when you flip open the phone, but also with the phone flip down as well. And using the hand gestures, you don't even need anyone to help you take those particular photos. The screen is beautiful too in the fact that it's using thin glass technology. Most of these other folding screen phones that I've seen so far are using kind of a plasticky screen. Obviously, you have to have that. I don't know how you fold glass, but they have somehow figured it out with this particular phone. They've got a fiber screen built into it as well inside the hinge, so that's going to keep all the dust and debris from getting into the hinge and monkeying it up. They say it's good for over 200,000 folds, so we'll have to see if that is true. It's $1,800. It's a lot of money. I think it's going to be for people that really like cutting-edge technology, but also people that like fashion as well. If you look at the colors that they came out with, they've got a beautiful black, a purple, and a gold as well. I don't think the gold's coming into Canada, but that'll be available elsewhere. I want one. Being able to fold it down and put it in your pocket, it's great to travel around with. If you like the video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, you gotta subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear what you think about it under the comments section. And don't forget to hit the notifications as well.